Where's our blanket, Tanya? You know where it is?
Let's need to find it before it's too late.
But the trash is so big. Where do we start? Aha! There it is! Oh, good thinking, dogman. Gotcha, blanket. Now let's go.
Okay, we need to go.
Okay, let's need to go.
Can you check it out?
Oh, sure. It's so hard. Push it to the limit. What? Oh my gosh, the door's open. Have a nice trip.
Wow!
Awesome! Whoa! Hold on. What's happening to Timmy, Tanya, Cartoon Cat, Cartoon Dog, and Dogman? Maybe they're headed to a place called Grouchland. Oh yes, let's wind out. Out of the way! Incoming!
Wow!
Awesome! Whoa! Whoa! Oof. Oh, where are we? I don't know.